You ever just sit there knowing exactly what you need to do, but your body won't move? That one text, that one workout, that one step. What if I told you in 20 seconds of insane courage, not even a minute, just 20, could flip your entire day and maybe even your life? We all have that invisible wall, not made of bricks or stone, but of hesitation, fear, overthinking, and it always shows up at the worst moments. The scary part? It doesn't take hours to lose to it. Just 20 seconds of delay, and you're back in bed, back scrolling, back telling yourself tomorrow. But what if, in that exact moment, you just acted? That's the 20-second rule, popularized by author Shauna Hoare and backed by behavioral science. It's simple. If you can make an action easier to start within 20 seconds, or if you commit to acting within 20 seconds of the thought, your brain doesn't get the time to kill your momentum. Example, lay out your workout clothes before sleeping. Want to start reading? Keep your book on your pillow. Have to call someone? Count backward from 20 and dial on 0. That countdown becomes your launch pad. And no, it's not magic, but it's close. Because that little window of courage bypasses the brain's resistance loop. And once you start, everything shifts. Think about all the times you didn't show up. Not because you didn't care, but because you delayed. You gave your brain time to convince you you're not ready. You'll embarrass yourself. Just do it later. And later turned into never. And never turned into guilt. And that guilt, it builds a loop. Every day you avoid, the weight gets heavier. Not just on your schedule, but on your soul. You know this version of you isn't the one you were meant to be. You're not lazy. You're just stuck at second 0 every single time. So here's your challenge. The next time resistance hits, don't fight it for hours. Just count down from 20. Move before your mind stops you. Because discipline is hard, but regret is torture. And if you don't break the loop now, one day, the guilt will. Comment right now so that you don't forget this.